Beauty of nature. This is the place. I call this is a Vida. This is a piece of land. I did work on this land since 4 5 years. What I do, I cut the jungles. I made this place clean to walk, sit, stand up. This is really a beautiful place to meditate, do any kinds of karma within. And this is a really good place for vacation. It's under the tree, and this place was full of jungles. Then in 2019 I came here and I worked here for 3 4 days. I cleaned this place, so now I can come here for my personal practice. And I also observed that lots of people used to come here. This area, this place was full of like these kinds of trees, plants. It's very hard. It was very hard for me to clean this area. And my wife Niparani, my daughter Nabodita, my son Shobru, the younger one, my elder son, everybody helped me to clean all the area here. This beautiful place. You see, it's really a nice place. So yeah, so we made this place. Now anybody can come here. The water goes through here. It's nice place. It's a falls, waterfalls. It's really a wonderful place. So see, all through water. This is the place. I made this place. It's I can see it's my place, and it's really beautiful. It's surrounded by water. So, standing here, just look at the sky through the trees, and you'll feel the real peace here. This is the sun. This is the sun. Okay, wow. It's really wonderful. See this place. So calm, so peaceful. It's really wonderful. Let's see the tree. Wow. They are lying back after 6 months winter. See all the leaves of tree. They feel alive. Oh my good God. Best wishes for all trees. Welcome with your energy again.